so JP the Singing Hunter is about to experience the video game marathon moments in history. So I'm about to do spinning the wheel like you should do, and just postpone because there are a lot more Filipino singers doing the video game marathon. So what happened? My mind is full of spinning the wheel, so just spin the wheel like right now. But then the moment na nalak na komportahan kay makatog na, and suddenly of all the things miss like let's just stay outside for like 3 minutes, 5 minutes. A video game marathon appears. JB, ako nyo na mamatay ka. Why? Because I have to do spin the wheel on my laptop, combining 8 of the provinces and all of your names like Kored, North Woolen, tapos Yinglong, all of you in the fuck album. Then, nag-postpone na due to the video game marathon just summoned by JB. So I have to do this straight. Magtuwag hanggang 8. Why? Because at 8:30, going to open my laptop, tapos spin the wheel at 9 p.m. By 9 p.m. because he summoned video game marathon like you did not ask permission to me. So yes, JB broke the system. I didn't hack the system again. So get this, JB summons again by tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, even every day. If he summons every day, am I gonna kill him? Like, makalagpas 11 days streak, patay na Xining. Again, makalagpas na 11 days streak sa video game marathon last year until right now, I wouldn't be here na makato sa bukid. Help me, please. Kay kunwari, video game marathon everyday. It's this, San Fernando City. Mida holiday, video game marathon everyday. Mida Bagyo, video game marathon no diri. Diba diri, kung super typhoon tapos video game marathon, heartbroken ka na. What if Mida linog kapag na video game marathon? They're having fun, except sa gawas, they're having fun. So what's the difference between us and the video game marathon and the Mother Nature? Because Mother Nature cannot help with the video game marathon, so I should help with the Mother Nature after all. Next week, mga Monday, Tuesday, mauwan. On the store, ang komeda video game marathon, ambot sa imo. JB. Alright, what shall I do? Matulog hanggang alas 8. Kung ongoing pa ang video game marathon, I will kill him right now. I will kill him right now.